Have you ever wondered where all your money goes? You know, that feeling when payday hits, your bank account looks healthy for about 5 minutes, and then poof, it's like it vanished into thin air. We've all been there. The endless stream of subscriptions, that daily coffee habit, the impulse buys that somehow become weekly rituals, it all adds up. And before you know it, you're staring at your bank balance, scratching your head, and thinking, I just got paid. Where did it all go? For years, that was my reality. I was in a constant state of financial mystery, living paycheck to paycheck, not because I wasn't earning enough, but because I had absolutely no idea where my money was actually going. Budgets felt like a straitjacket, complicated spreadsheets gave me a headache, and honestly, who has the time to manually track every single penny? It felt like an impossible task, a problem too big to tackle. But then, something shifted. I discovered a tool that fundamentally changed my relationship with money. It didn't magically give me more income, nor did it force me into some restrictive financial diet. Instead, it gave me clarity, control, and, dare I say, peace of mind. That tool is Rocket Money. Today, I want to take you on a journey. A day in the life of my money, but with a twist. This isn't just about showing you my spending habits, it's about demonstrating how Rocket Money acts as my personal financial co-pilot, guiding every transaction, every decision, and ultimately, helping me build a healthier financial future. Think of it as a behind-the-scenes look at how technology can transform your financial life from chaotic to controlled, from confusing to crystal clear. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive into a typical day, from my morning routine to winding down at night, and you'll see exactly how Rocket Money is working in the background, making my money work harder for me. The alarm rings at 7 a.m., and my day kicks off. First things first, a quick check of my phone. But it's not social media I'm opening, it's the Rocket Money app. This is my financial dashboard, my command center. What am I looking for? My overall financial health, a quick glance at my checking and savings balances, and any alerts that Rocket Money might have sent overnight. And right there, a notification pops up, upcoming bill alert, Netflix, $22.99, due in 3 days. Now, I know about Netflix, obviously, but these alerts are invaluable for bigger, less frequent bills, car insurance, yearly software subscriptions, things that tend to sneak up on you. Rocket Money keeps me proactive, not reactive, when it comes to bill payments. It helps me avoid those dreaded late fees and overdraft charges, which, let's be honest, are just wasted money. Next, I head to the kitchen for my morning coffee. Now, this used to be a huge money sink for me. A daily latte from the fancy coffee shop down the street, at $5 a pop, easily added up to $150 a month, money I didn't even realize I was spending. This is where Rocket Money's spending insights truly shine. When I first linked my bank accounts, Rocket Money automatically categorized my transactions. It showed me in stark, colorful graphs just how much I was spending on coffee and dining out. It was a sobering realization, a real eye-opener. So, what did I do? I didn't completely deprive myself. That's a recipe for failure. Instead, I used Rocket Money to set a budget for this category. Now, every time I buy a coffee, I can see my progress against that budget. This morning, I made coffee at home. Why? Because Rocket Money's real-time updates mean I know exactly how much I have left in my coffee and dining out budget for the month. It's not about restriction, it's about informed choices. This small shift, driven by Rocket Money's insights, saves me hundreds of dollars a year. That's tangible savings, not just some theoretical number. After breakfast, it's time to get to work. As I settle into my home office, my mind drifts to the myriad of subscriptions I've accumulated over the years. Streaming services, fitness apps, productivity tools, online courses, it felt like a never-ending list. Some I used regularly, others I'd signed up for on a whim and completely forgotten about. This is where Rocket Money truly transforms from a budgeting app into a money-saving superhero. One of Rocket Money's standout features is its subscription management. It automatically scans your linked accounts and identifies all your recurring payments. It's like having a financial detective working for you 24/7. When I first used this feature, I was shocked. I found a subscription to a language learning app one tried for a week and then completely abandoned, still charging me $15 a month. There was also that premium news subscription I'd forgotten to cancel after the free trial. Rocket Money listed them all, clear as day. With a few taps in the app, I could either directly cancel those unwanted subscriptions through Rocket Money's concierge service, or it would provide me with easy-to-follow instructions on how to cancel them myself. The language app was gone in seconds. The news subscription? Rocket Money walked me through the cancellation process on their website. In total, I instantly saved almost $30 a month just by letting Rocket Money do the legwork. That's $360 a year back in my pocket. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. Mid-morning, I get an email. It's my internet provider, letting me know my promotional rate is about to expire, and my bill is going up by $10 next month. My immediate thought used to be, ugh, another price hike. What can I do? But with Rocket Money, I have a secret weapon, bill negotiation. This feature is truly incredible. Rocket Money offers a service where they will actually negotiate your bills on your behalf. All I have to do is select the bill I want them to negotiate, in this case, my internet bill, and provide some basic account information. Rocket Money's team then steps in, calling the provider, haggling for better rates, and trying to get me a lower price. They only charge a percentage of the savings if they're successful, which makes it a no-brainer. I've used this for my internet, my phone bill, even my car insurance in the past. And it works. Last year, they saved me $15 a month on my phone bill alone. It's an effortless way to cut down on recurring expenses that often feel non-negotiable. I submitted the request for my internet bill, and now I can just sit back and let Rocket Money work its magic. No more waiting on hold, no more awkward conversations. It's financial automation at its finest. As the afternoon rolls on, I check my Rocket Money app again. I'm curious about my spending for the week. The Spending Insights tab is a goldmine here. It breaks down my expenditures by category: groceries, utilities, transportation, entertainment. I can see trends over time, compare my current month's spending to previous months, and even get alerts if I'm overspending in a particular area. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.